Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily convert Word documents into PDFs. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more quick and helpful tech tips. To get started, search iLovePDF.com in your browser. Once the site loads, select the Word to PDF option. Upload your Word document.